Hello all, welcome to Manifest IAS. This is a brief about our integrated prelims and mains test series. It is relevant for both students seeking prelims and also for those who are seeking mains answer writing practice. It is both online and offline. We will be providing a detailed timetable for both prelims and mains, starting from basics, gradually moving towards advanced concepts. Our class pedagogy is based on tests and discussions on the same day. This provides timely and comprehensive coverage of the given topics. Further, students are encouraged to raise doubts in class for conceptual clarity. Our class discussion is divided into 4 parts. First, question format, which is why the question has been asked, what is its relevance towards UPSC, how is it relevant for current affairs. Second, about the answer choices. First, what is the relevance for each answer choice? How is this choice option the best fit for UPSC? How did we reach the answer? Third, current event linkages. What are the current issues related to that topic? Detailed discussion and notes would be provided for that relevant current affairs. Lastly, strategy. What are the ways to improve scores in prelims? What should be the strategy to study and what should be the strategy to deal with the concerned subjects? Similarly, for mains, we continue with part-wise discussion, which includes introduction, main body, which covers factual details and analysis, and lastly, what should be the appropriate conclusion for that answer. Second, we'll provide detailed synopsis curated by subject experts. Third, part-wise evaluation helps in 3 ways. First, helps in identifying critical gaps in preparation. Second, strategy to improve score through advice on answering questions and selection of questions. And finally, one-on-one guidance with faculty through appointments.